Different way.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I've never done it like purposefully thinking like, oh, I'm gonna get his dumb ass or something like that. And then he plays mute on Anchor.
I should play mute.
I'm about to try to play him. I'm gonna try to Anchor with him.
This queue time is insane.
I know. I feel like I should restart it, but then again, I feel like I shouldn't.
Bless you.
Dude, I don't know what the fuck that was. I had something in my mouth, like I was chewing on a wrapper,